Hi guys, Alan Harding from Property Central. Today I've just got together with Steve Roddick from SmartLine Mortgage just to go over a few things. And how are you, Steve?
Very good, Al. Thanks for a chance to have a coffee and a chat.
Yeah, it's great. Look, mate, the only reason I've got you in today is just so we can go over it for a minute or two and let the people out there know that it is still a great time to invest, or first home buyers and buy, and why it's a good reason to go to a broker. Yes. And what a broker can do for them, instead of going straight to sometimes their banks, you know what I mean?
Yeah, sure, Al. Yeah. Well, I still believe that the property market's in a very good position.
I agree, totally.
You might be a little bit confused because you see a lot of things in the press, in the media, about things aren't going so well, and maybe even talking about a property bubble.
Yeah.
The facts tell us a lot more.
Yeah.
In fact, the RBA cash rate is held at 2% at the moment. RBA will indicate shortly in the next month or two whether it may go even down again. Home loan rates are low, below the 10-year average is 7%. So
that's brilliant.
If we round about the 4.1, 4.2, I mean that's still a really good rate.
It is, definitely.
For a home buyer. The banks have been getting tougher on investment loans because they've been under a bit of pressure from APRA, who are the regulator. So they've forced the banks to carry more capital and also to look at the servicing capacity of investors. There used to be a lot more interest-only loans. Banks are getting a little bit tougher on that in their screening. But in saying that, that's a good reason to go to a broker because you have a panel
100%.
of lenders.
100%. So if I went to you, because most of them out there are saying to them they can only have 80%, is that correct, mate? If you went to a bank, and you're able to go to different people, obviously, and do better deals and probably get 90, would you?
Yeah, look, above 80% LVR, there's always lender's mortgage insurance. It doesn't matter which lender you go to. But the thing with having a selection of banks to go to is that you can better match the customer's scenario to the product.
That's great.
So you have a better choice of products, and the broker actually works for the customer, not for the bank. The broker gets paid the same commission at settlement. It doesn't matter which lender he goes to.
Right.
So our job really is to look after the customer, to find the best product, find the best lender, whether it's a bank or a non-bank. And then to give them an ongoing review, because as you know, things change.
It's brilliant.
So certainly with SmartLine, all of our clients get an annual review. Is this still the best product? Yes or no?
Brilliant.
Let's decide what we're going to do.
Well, that was going to be my next question.
Oh, was it?
Why SmartLine?
Well,
why SmartLine and not,
SmartLine's a national company, over 300 brokers like me, all independent. In the mortgage market, there's a lot of choices at the moment. SmartLine are actually one of two independents. Some of the other well-known brokers are owned by banks. I won't mention names, but a lot of them are owned by banks. SmartLine are independent. SmartLine have a great customer service focus, and SmartLine are actually the #1 franchise in Australia currently.
Brilliant. So there you have it in a short line on what's happening out there today. So there's no reason to be frightened to buy, invest, first home buyers, along with a broker who will come to you, is a perfect way to go today. And then before you go out looking for a home, you already know how much you can have, at what interest rate, and under what conditions before you even start looking for a home. So signing off for this month, till next month, Alan Harding at Property Central. Have a great week.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.